On this week episode of Cooking with Love, check this out. Every week, you know, I'm always gonna have a guest right here. This guest that I have today, he claim he can cook. I know this man is
that is my favorite
producer,
dish.
movie producer, there's so much all over. We gotta do salted. You sure it is salted?
I don't know. I've never cooked mackerel like in the hole. I've cooked mackerel when it's already cleaned and cut up, but never like this. So this is gonna be a challenge.
But you're gonna figure this one out.
I'm gonna figure it out.
Guys, this will come back. No matter think right now as to what's gonna happen right now. But yeah,
I've learned through etiquette class that you must have white wine for fish.
This is not what we're gonna make.
What are we gonna make?
We're gonna make an octopus.
Cooking with Love. I gotta go eat my food, man. I'm out of here.